Taco Casserole, the 80s comfort food that never left. Remember those weeknight dinners that just felt like home? We're diving back into the delicious past with a taco casserole recipe that's pure comfort food nostalgia. Get ready to rediscover a classic. Taco casserole is a layered dish, typically featuring ground beef, taco seasoning, cheese, and tortillas. It's baked until bubbly and golden brown. Think of it as a deconstructed taco in casserole form. This dish gained popularity in the 1980s for its simplicity and crowd-pleasing flavor. It was a staple at potlucks and family gatherings. It's easy to see why it's still loved today. It's incredibly easy to make, perfect for busy weeknights. The ingredients are readily available and affordable. Plus, it's endlessly customizable to your taste. Taco casserole is also a great way to use up leftover ingredients. You can easily adapt it to be vegetarian or use different types of meat. It's a versatile dish that everyone will enjoy. You'll need ground beef or your preferred protein, taco seasoning, and a can of diced tomatoes. Don't forget tortillas, shredded cheese, cheddar, or a Mexican blend work great, and your favorite toppings. Optional additions include onions, bell peppers, black beans, corn, and sour cream. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touch. The beauty of this recipe is its flexibility. Brown the ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat. Drain off any excess grease. This step is crucial for preventing a greasy casserole. Add the taco seasoning and diced tomatoes to the skillet. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This will prevent the casserole from sticking. Start by layering tortillas on the bottom of the dish. You may need to tear or cut them to fit. Overlap them slightly to create a solid base. Spread half of the ground beef mixture over the tortillas. Sprinkle with half of the shredded cheese. This creates the first layer of flavor. Repeat the layers: tortillas, remaining ground beef, and remaining cheese. This ensures every bite is packed with deliciousness. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. Bake for 20 minutes. This helps to heat the casserole evenly and prevent the cheese from burning. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. The top should be lightly golden brown. Let the casserole cool slightly before adding your toppings. This prevents them from melting or wilting. Get creative with your choices. Sour cream, salsa, guacamole, chopped onions, and cilantro are all excellent options. A dollop of Greek yogurt is a healthy alternative to sour cream. For a vegetarian version, substitute the ground beef with lentils or black beans. Add extra vegetables like corn and bell peppers. You can also use a plant-based ground meat substitute. To make it spicier, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce to the ground beef mixture. Jalapenos are another great way to add heat. Don't overcook the ground beef, as it will continue to cook in the oven. Use good quality taco seasoning for the best flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. If you're using frozen tortillas, thaw them completely before assembling the casserole. This will prevent them from becoming soggy. Serve the taco casserole warm, straight from the oven. It's delicious on its own or with a side salad. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, simply microwave individual portions or bake the entire casserole in the oven until heated through. Add fresh toppings before serving. Taco casserole is more than just a recipe. It's a memory. It's a taste of simpler times and shared meals. It's a dish that brings people together. Its ease of preparation and customizable nature make it a perfect choice for busy families. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that will be requested again and again. While the original recipe is fantastic, don't be afraid to experiment and add your own personal touch. Try different cheeses, vegetables, or even a layer of refried beans. You can also use different types of tortillas, such as corn or whole wheat. The possibilities are endless. The goal is to create a taco casserole that you and your family will love. So, are you ready to bring back this 80s classic? It's time to gather your ingredients and create a taco casserole that will transport you back to those cherished family dinners. This recipe is a reminder that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying. It's a celebration of flavor, family, and the joy of cooking. Now that you've learned how to make this amazing taco casserole, it's time to get in the kitchen and try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Share your creations with us on social media using #TacoCasseroleComeback. We can't wait to see what you cook up.